Yeah, we can turn up to 49 inches. So we have a fully programmable tailstock, and again, a fully programmable steady rest.
Brian and I are standing in front of the TC610L slant bed lathe here at Spinner, but before we begin and find out about this machine, Brian, you love these machines,
I
don't you?
absolutely do love these machines.
So what is it about them that you love?
Well, it's a new model for Spinner, and it actually helps with customers that want to machine longer parts than not take up a lot of floor space.
And you love the power that this machine possesses, don't you?
Yeah, I love talking about the spindles on this machine. This one happens to be a 65 millimeter spindle, approximately 32 horsepower. We've got an 85 millimeter spindle as well,
right,
with 100 horsepower.
So who's going to require this type of power?
Well, any company that requires long shaft work. In the US, we have multiple manufacturers. They make shock absorbers, they make, any number of long parts. So,
and materials?
Aluminum, steel, hardened materials, it doesn't really matter. We have a steady rest on this, a programmable steady rest on this that can follow along and support the work as you turn.
Okay, the configuration of this machine, I noticed straight away. You've got quite a small machine, you've got all of this glass, you've got great access. And so what are the benefits of then having it on the linear rails, the turret?
Well, the linear rails allow for freer cutting and better surface finishes over the long
over the
turnings.
length
Yes.
of the part. And
right.
it's a huge space,
yes.
isn't it, inside the machine?
Yeah, we can turn up to 49 inches.
Wow.
In length. Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
So we have a fully programmable tailstock, and again, a fully programmable steady rest. So
how many tools on the turret?
Well, a normal machine might have 12 stations.
Yeah.
This has 16, all driven tool.
So why have you gone for 16? Why? Is that just...
Because with 16 tools, you have more capability to have redundant tools. So if you're making long cuts, you burn up tools. So then you can have a second tool already prepped and ready to go for that. Or you can have tools already set up for the next job coming along.
And automation. Is automation ready, isn't
Okay,
it?
so we can get bar feed interface on this. We can, of course, get robot interface as well. So yeah, you can auto-load this with bar feed or with a robot.
And the screen. It's new, it's modern, it's different.
Yeah, the Siemens control has a full touch screen, no keys on it. It's state-of-the-art.
It really is, isn't it?
And of course, we can get this with the Fanuc control as well.
Of course. Okay, this here is the Spinner TC610L machine, an impressive slant bed lathe with a tiny footprint, but loads of power. Thank you, Brian.
You're welcome.